Hey, good morning. It's Mark Weiss. I want to talk with you today about negotiation, leadership, the interplay between the two of them in your medical group or even your facility. But let's say that you're a hospital-based medical group. The group size could be 10 or 20 or 2,000. It doesn't make any difference. And you are negotiating, say, with a hospital for a new exclusive contract. And your group has a board or a board equivalent, management committee, and it has leaders. Let's say a group president. It might even have, depending on its size, some type of an executive director. You're negotiating with St. Mark's Community Memorial Hospital for an exclusive contract, and you've hit some sticky points. What do you do? Now, there are many strategies for dealing with a sticking point in a contract negotiation. But consider this. Maybe it is time to switch up the negotiator. This doesn't mean anything in a negative way about the skill of, say, the executive director that you had charged with that task to begin with, or the president of the group has been charged with that task. Sometimes simply resetting who the interface is an important way to restart things with the other side in a negotiation. Consider that. It's not a demotion, it's simply a smart strategic move.